Hi everyone, and welcome back to another YouTube episode at Henriksrestorations. That is my YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't, please subscribe and click like on this video. That will help me increase my views and my subscribers, and therefore maybe can grow my channel to something that will be more than just a sidekick for me, maybe a future business, who knows. Okay, as you can see, I have removed the doors on the car, only the front right. The bolts are not super happy right now. So today I'm actually gonna start grinding off all the paint and all the rust on this sill and hopefully on the other as well. As you can see here, it's quite rusty, so I don't know, maybe I have to change these pieces out. I wrote a question in a Facebook forum and asked how rusty these seals needs to be before you change them. And there was a guy who just said, grind them down to bare steel. If you don't have steel, weld, then paint. So that's what I'm aiming for. Grind it down, and if it looks good, just paint it over. And if it doesn't look good, weld. How hard can it be? Okay, so the situation is like this. I've grinded the sill all the way from the front through the B-pillar and then to the back. The first issue, we got a hole here. Otherwise it looks pretty clean, but a hole there, pretty clean all the way. A patch. Not the best welding. I will probably weld hell worse. These are pretty good, but this looks not so good. And here, they only like spot welded. It's like a quick and dirty job. So I'm probably gonna cut this off, see what's behind, probably nothing. And maybe repair this section. We also got a small hole in the B-pillar that we need to address. I don't know like how they did this. Feels like there's quite some rust underneath here. Otherwise, inside, let's hang it from here, maybe. Yep, nope, yep, nope. Yep. Down here, it's a disaster. So maybe if I get some practice in, I maybe can fabricate some new steel down there. And we're gonna order a new, I don't know, side bulkhead wall, maybe. And I like this patch and this. That's like an ice scraper. And you see this mount, I think I mentioned it before, but I think this has been a right-hand side car before, or maybe not, I don't know. Grinding is so fun, so maybe I should just keep on going. So we've done some grinding, and actually it doesn't look too bad. I'm gonna keep grinding on this one for now to see what's behind here. Here over the rear right tire, I think they put in a patch earlier on over here, and that's pretty okay on this side, but I think it's very weak on the other side. It just like falls apart. So the GoPro is on charge for a few minutes, and then let's see, what time is it? 8:30. Plenty of time until bedtime. Let's get to it. Yo folks, we have now grinded these suckers down, so we're just gonna wipe them off with some brake cleaner so they are clean. Oof. I'm gonna put this in the locker here. And then when we have cleaned this up, we are gonna add a rust stopper first, because I can't get rid of all the rust. And then after that we're gonna paint them black. That I have been recommended to use, and I used it on... Where did I use it? It was on some metal just to try it on, and it seems to be working very, very good. Yeah, it was on the one of the fenders. I just tried because they were a little bit rusty on the corner. So I added this and then painted over, and it looks super. So I'll try this on these bare metal parts and see how it goes. Something like that. So when you use this paint, you need to do 2 layers, and this is the first one. So I will let it dry, and then I'll be back when we have done the second coat. Okay. Good morning. So it's been probably 15 hours since I made the last coat of rust protection on this, like the rust stopper. I will just start with some zinc spray on these to get some like rust protection and primer, and then I will use a hammerite metal to paint. So I'll just pop the lid on this and then start spraying, and hopefully it isn't too cold in the garage, because I don't know, this paint feels like it's not more than a few degrees Celsius, so it might be a little bit cold, but we'll see. But we'll see how it works. I'm gonna put the mask on, and then we're gonna start prime. Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. This will be the last video for this year, of course. I want to thank you everyone for this year and all the subscribers subscribing to my channel now. I think we have grown 150 subscribers this year and it feels very good, and I'm almost at 600 now, so it's very, very cool. But yeah, I just want to say thank you for this year, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I want to show you these beautiful views outside our house. So let's see you next year, and yeah, thanks so much. Ciao.